Okay, AI for everything, AI for nothing, or something in between. Here's something I learned from my middle schooler who's just off camera over here. The 7 levels of AI delegation. Hi, my name is Ravi Verma. My mission is to help leaders in tech organizations achieve business goals without destroying the well being of their people. So, one of the things that most leaders in the tech industry are probably grappling with is how to integrate AI in their operations. And here's something that I created based on delegation poker created by Jürgen Eplo as part of the Management 3.0 practices. I call it the 7 levels of AI delegation. First level, never ever use AI. Second level, give AI a prompt, consult it, and then make changes yourself, and then you deliver it to your stakeholders. Level 3, start by prompting AI and keep challenging it and reprompting it until it creates an artifact that you can then deliver to your stakeholders. Level 4, something that you have to create for stakeholders very often. Train your AI so that in the future, when you need to do that repetitive task, it can create the artifact that's ready for stakeholder consumption with minimal prompting. Now you start entering a different zone where you start giving AI more power. Delegate the task to AI, do a check, and then empower the AI or enable or authorize the AI to deliver to your stakeholders. Level 6, authorize AI to directly interact or deliver to your stakeholders, and then you can do some spot checking or testing after the fact. And finally, delegate AI to interact directly with your stakeholders and don't even check. If you notice, there are 3 broad categories. Level 1, avoid using AI. Levels 2, 3, and 4, the human is still in charge. Human makes the final decision and interacts with stakeholders. Level 5, 6, 7, AI is directly interacting with stakeholders. Let's take an example. Middle school science fair. So imagine your middle schooler is working with other classmates to prepare for science fair. They want to create a mail that will go out to all the parents, and they want to have photos and videos from the kids to give the parents a sneak peek and then encourage them to attend the science fair. I would say never put kids' photos and videos in the hands of AI. I don't trust tech companies. God knows what they will do with our children's photos and videos. Now, the kids are getting into all kinds of conflict. Your kid comes home and says, "Man, I can't deal with this. I need some therapy." I would not recommend that you trust AI with therapy for your child. Let's imagine the issue was resolved, hopefully not by getting therapy from AI. Now, the kids want to create a cover slide for one of their projects. I would say you can consult AI, and especially if you want to add the photos of the kids, you get the draft of the cover slide and then you add the kids' photos later on. Consult and adapt. Let's imagine one of the projects involves creating an alien mouse. Maybe you use Canva AI or some image generation, and then you ask AI to create an alien mouse. But no sensitive personal information is now crossing hands, and you can challenge AI. And this is exactly what my middle schooler did to add the different parameters of your alien mouse. Now you want to do research and you want to have credible sources, and you're going to be doing research throughout the school year. You may want to consult and train AI so that it performs certain checks and then it eliminates any sources that are not credible. Now, it's time to send the invitation email to parents. One possibility is ask AI to create a draft email in the school branding, school color palette, school logo, with the location and the time. And then the kids will actually spot check, make sure that the mail is okay, and then they can ask AI to send the mail. If you have a high risk tolerance, maybe you just tell AI, hey, create the mail and then send it. And then after the fact, maybe you go and check what kind of an email was sent. And if there was any errors, then you do the manual cleanup. And maybe the final level of trust would be you just trust the AI to create the email and to send it out, and you don't even feel the need to check whether it said what you were hoping it would say. If you found this useful, follow me on LinkedIn, follow our YouTube channel, go to our website allwhisperers.com. If you think we can help you, give me a call. Until our next conversation, thank you and bye-bye.